Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Power Rangers Legacy Wars hack for iOS and Android. Unlimited resources, this fully works. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So go to hexmods.com and as you can see there's the Power Rangers Legacy Wars. If you can't find it you can just search it up. So go ahead and press on it and then just press the download button and it will start downloading the modded version. You're going to get free crystals and everything, guys, from hexmods.com. Alright, so before it downloads, there is going to be a verification we have to do, which is really easy. We just have to download some apps and complete the instructions there. 100% for free. They're also from the official app store. So as you can see right here, it's just going to load up and it's going to say that we need to complete 2 free apps or surveys to finish installing the Power Rangers Legacy Wars mod. So there's going to be around 4 of these apps. You just want to pick 2 of them, press tap to install, and it's going to bring you to the app store. Now I'm on an Android, so it's going to bring me to the Play Store. But if I was on an iPhone, it would bring me to the app store. Now these apps have their own instructions, so make sure you're reading those. They're all different. So after you do the verification, you should get the Power Rangers Legacy Wars modded version installed onto your device. So yeah, as you can see, guys, I'm super rich in the game, and we all know how expensive this game is. Let's not pretend that it is a cheap game because, like most mobile games, we're going to be finding that it's very expensive. You can see some pricing down here. So if you guys do not want to pay for it, then be sure to try this hack. It should work. I haven't had any problems with it at all. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and peace out.